let's take a moment to get yourself comfortable. Make any adjustments in the way you're seated or in hair or clothing so you can really feel settled into this moment. Just this present moment. See if you can find your breath and focus on each inhale and exhale, experiencing the breath fully. Inhaling through the nose, pausing at the top of the breath, exhaling through the nose, pausing at the bottom of the breath. See if you can feel your breath all the way down at the base of your belly, maybe even down to the soles of your feet. Let your breath fill you and then empty you. Just allowing yourself to feel that ebb and flow, and see if you can let it soothe you. See if that breath can create a sense of safety or relaxation where you can really allow yourself to open, to relax into what is, to see what's here. Recognizing that even this simple breath is a practice of surrender, of pausing and allowing, of looking inward to find something higher and greater than yourself. This breath is a physical practice and a spiritual tool to move you out of your mind, to help you cut through your emotions and drop into the body. Allow yourself to relax into your body, to trust its ability to hold you, to show you what's important for you to know in this moment. You might allow yourself to ask, what thoughts do I notice? What voices and stories are running through my head? If this moment feels clear and empty, you might consider earlier in your day or another recent experience where you felt overwhelmed, anxious, depressed, or otherwise off-center. See if you can drop in and allow your body to naturally recreate this moment. Let the thoughts and emotions flow in so you can view them from this safe space, on this chair, in this meditation, supported by me and your mindfulness community. See if you can drop the story and bring yourself into the felt sense of the experience. See if you can watch the story pass through your awareness, like a cloud in the sky, like a train passing by. See if you can allow the emotions attached to this narrative to move through you like a wave in the ocean. You might even name the essence of the experience as it moves through. So this is grief. So this is anger. You might even see if you can trace these thoughts and emotions back further and figure out what you are holding at your center when this thing feels so big, so overwhelming, or all-consuming. Asking yourself, in this moment of difficulty, what was at my center? as you're able to name and understand this experience, or trace it back to your center, see if you can hold it in your hand, almost like an object or light or color that you are drawing out from your mind or body and holding now in your hand. See yourself sitting in this chair and see that you are able to look at this center, this belief, emotion, person, situation, but you're detached, you're grounded. Feel its weight in your hand, its quality and texture. You might even bounce it in your hand or see if it still has strings attached to different parts of your body. See if you can just explore this center or this experience and get really curious about it. Get curious about what it has to show you. Really aware here that it is separate from you. It is something that you are holding in your hand, while you, the awareness, are sitting grounded, held, feet on the floor, unattached, unaltered. And now you might envision a light drawing near. Allow this light to represent a higher power. Maybe it appears as a being, a person, a place, or simply a light. But recognize that this light has the power to absorb what you are holding in your hand. This light has the power to hold and carry it, if you allow it to. See yourself willing to release this experience, this object or burden, this center, into the hands of a higher power. See this light absorb your burden with ease, with lightness, with no effort at all. Feel yourself hollow, emptied of this burden or belief. And as you feel into this emptiness, see a small but piercing beam of light begin to fill this emptiness from its very core. Feel this light grow in warmth and intensity, spreading through your heart space, over your ribs, across your shoulders, trickle down your arms, pour down your thighs and shins, through your wrists and ankles, into your fingertips and toes. Feel this light, this trust, this higher power at your center. Feel yourself rest. As we prepare to come back from this meditation, I'm going to challenge you to practice reaching out. In your mind, with your eyes still closed, you might prepare a simple surrender to share with a person you feel safe with. Perhaps someone from our mindfulness class you can reach out to. Perhaps a friend or partner you feel safe with. I surrender blank into the care of a higher power. What was the object in your hand? I surrender that into the care of a higher power. You might embellish a little, explaining, I have been telling myself blank, or feeling blank, and I think I am believing blank. I want to release these thoughts, feelings, and beliefs, and invite something higher to replace them with love, peace, tolerance, patience. There are many ways to surrender. Trust your heart and allow your words to come out as they do. When you are ready, open your eyes. And take steps towards a reaching out. Pick up your phone, send a text, a phone call, a Marco Polo, walk to the other room, and ask a partner or friend if it's okay if you share surrender with them. If they don't know what to say, tell them to simply say, "Thank you for sharing your surrender." Feel the peace and strength that comes from looking in and reaching out, from showing up with authenticity, vulnerability, and a willingness to see and be seen. Thank you for practicing with me today. Namaste.
You can click in the links below to find a free guide to offer you more resources on your path towards healing and wellness.